Hey there, YouTube. So I got the exhaust loop in. As you can see, I know the welds aren't pretty, but you know, I'm not a welder. But they hold, they don't leak. And well, I'm a little disappointed. I didn't quite get the sound profile I was after. But the loop did do it did a couple things. It pitched the sound up a little bit on the trunk, and it also introduced a little bit of rasp in the higher RPMs, but also somehow helped reduce some of the drone cruising a little bit. But by pitching it up and adding a little rasp into the system, it made it sound more like a Toyota, like a Tacoma or something like that. And you know, I can't have that, so. I can either redo the loop and try to find that right sound, which means doing multiple loops to find that right sound, which would be pricey, or I could redo both mid pipes from the center here and make it to where it's equal length without having to do a loop. Do it like how 350Zs have it, and they meet up in the center, so essentially more or less under the drive shaft, and then have it come over to the right side. Like I said, I'm not a welder by trade, and the most I have to weld really is small stuff or anything like that. And I tested it, there's no leaks, it's not prettiest. I always have a Harbor Freight welder with some flux core on it, so it is what it is. Gotta work with what I got. Yeah, that's what it all looks like. But I have a plan to fix it. I've already ordered a couple of things, so we'll have to see if the piping I have left from the loop, I'd have enough of it to do what I need to do, and then I just have to order another pipe kit that's 3-inch, because I think I'm going to do away with the MBRP. I'm going to go with the carbon. I had a carbon before. They don't draw nearly as bad as this does. It's got good sound and volume to it, it's just drawn when cruising. So I'm going to go back to carbon. I have my own custom mid pipe that I'm going to build. This is going to be 3-inch in, 3-inch out, and it's going to tie in with the rest of the MBRP system from the axle back. That's the plan. I've already had sound clips put up, so I don't really need to do that. But I'll catch you guys later.